You got trolled.
Where did Supersonic go?
No.
Why would you pull into my lane, you?
I am the lane.
I just saw GameCube Michael Jackson, and I don't know how to feel.
Why play Eurobeat?
Okay. Like what kind?
I don't know.
Like, do you want to hear Smooth Criminal?
No,
This Eurobeat?
just Eurobeat. Grab your Eurobeat playlist and just shove it in here.
Nah, I don't have that anymore.
You don't have it anymore?
I just got more XP from driving around in my last
Alright, well,
round.
I'll find one with the anime girl. Hold on.
No.
Alright. You want to do the one that's in Spanish?
No, just do regular Eurobeat.
No, all the subtitles are in Spanish. It's pretty funny.
Are you exiting here, Colin?
Yeah.
Are you turning right?
Yeah.
Alright, let's see how you like this.
Bro, how the fuck can I not hit that? That's some bullshit.
Oh!
What happened?
Why? Why?
Eurobeat.
Bitch for this, Phoenix. I hope you know that.
I didn't know! I didn't
You do.
know!
Flipped me in the air. I was in the gymnastics for a second. What the fuck?
I'm so glad I'm
I said,
recording.
hey, wait a minute, this fence you can't go through. And then I see you going like 90 straight into the back of me.
There was a truck in front of me. I didn't have enough time to slow down. I was like, hey, I could just...
Parking brake, bro.
I thought, hey, I could just cut across. And your truck was obscured by the bushes. And then as soon as it's too late, and as soon as I see you, so then I slam you. I take 98%. And then
I took 100. I was at 3. 3.
I was at
You did
22.
97
And then
damage.
Why did it happen as soon as the initial D happened?
and then Colin does 4 flips in the air.
Why?
And now he's sideways. Alright,
It's
go to
the same as
service.
a plague call. I hear Rhythm Bot joins, and then just Colin goes, why?
I ran into the fence, right? I'm like, oh damn, alright, so you can't do that here. And then I see Phoenix, I'm like, okay, he's probably gonna pull up beside me or go down the road, right? And then he's coming closer. I'm like, no, no! Stop!
I'm
That
sorry.
was a very door-stuck moment. For real, whole man, that man is addicted.
Where's
I don't know what
Colin
a-
at?
Right, turn left, right?
Yeah, just continue.
I don't know what
But
I just
after
said,
we
right,
get here, you
turn
guys
left.
wanna go play Gmod?
Maybe. Hey yo,
Okay,
look out your
drive.
window.
Oh, I see him! I see him! Alright, let's go. Hurry. No, he's gotta slow down, actually.
We should this stage shot.
Colin, don't do it again.
Got him.
I thought that was my fault. Wyatt, watch this.
No, that was
watch
mine.
this. Watch this. Watch this. Watch this. Oh,
I
that
can't watch you.
did 14 damage to me.
What? did
I was
you
at
do?
0 and I lightly bumped you and it went thunk. 14.
What? You hear me?
Yeah, no, I was on your wheel that whole time. Colin, go in between. Go in
I'm
between,
not
please.
near you guys. What is happening? What is happening? I'm in a whole other universe.
Oh, it just made me go on the left side of my wheel only.
Stop, Wyatt.
I
Stop,
see.
Wyatt. Stop. I think you gotta reload too.
Who, me?
That was hilarious.
Colin, you gotta reload.
Yeah, I know.
I just saw Colin say the guy in particular, and it just rams into one random car.
Guys, I'm going to 82. How are you guys so far ahead?
Because we're going 82.
Hold on.
He's swerving all over the road.
Focus on playing. He's got one hand on the harmonica, and then the other one on his pee-pee. So how is he else supposed to drive with his feet?
I'm waiting for Wyatt so he can catch up.
I'm catching up. I'm close enough. Speed up.
Speed up. Alright, take off,
Speed up.
Colin.
Oh no, I see him. Oh no.
Oh!
I'm taking. I'm good. Uh-oh, I'm not good.
Oh my
I hit an
god.
invisible wall. 0 damage.
I hate this game. Every time I can pick up speed, one of
Yo,
you morons
Colin, don't
crashes.
hit me.
Every time I pick up speed, one of you
Hey,
says
guys.
invisible wall.
Hey guys, wait for me. I'm stuck. My wheel's stuck.
Wait, slow down.
Give me a little bit. I gotta get my wheel out of the
I said
invisible
slow
wall.
down. Oh shh. I was in third person. I wasn't looking at the road ahead of me, and I crash into this Coca-Cola, and I get 89 damage from 0.
Alright, fuck this. I'm playing Gmod.
Loop. Alright, let's go. Back to
Yeah, we
this
should
save.
get play.
No! I can speed. I'm good. I'm good at driving. As I crash into the Coca-Cola truck and take 89
Oh,
damage.
Colin's gone.
Oh,
Where are you, Phoenix?
I reloaded my save. Oh, Colin's here with me. Because Colin also crashed into the truck. Not the same truck, it's the one behind it.
I turned around to see Phoenix, and then I'm like, oh fuck, that's a truck.
That's what happened to me. That's exactly
Oh,
what
God.
happened to me. I was looking back at Colin, and I crashed into a truck. Trying to
Yeah, I'm
avoid
81
Colin.
damage, guys.
Oh my god. How close are we to this town? Oh my god.